Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from HighLevel. So we've got a new release here, dynamic text replacement in funnels and websites. So here's how this works. So basically, URL parameter text replacement now has a full native UI. So we forever had this idea that, or this ability, so that like, let's say you went to a website like myfunnel.com or mywebsite.com / meal equals tacos. You could actually take that variable meal equals tacos and you could take the tacos and you could actually inject it into the page. Now that was all like something you had to figure out how to do. It was like, basically it was like some parameters you had to know how to put in. Well, this makes this whole much simpler. So the idea here is a new URL parameter option in the custom values picker lets you insert a dynamic token into any text configured through a simple form with a default value and a text transformation, so you can do stuff with it. You can like title case it or uppercase it, stuff like that. And so basically, here's what we're talking about. So look right here. It says, discover why Horizon Realty Group is the #1 choice or it should be in the Dallas Times or something like that, right? So what you can do is you can say, okay, what I want to do is actually dynamically replace Horizon Realty Group. That'll be the default, right? But if there's a parameter called company that comes in from the URL, so company equals Sean's Realty Group, I want that sucker to replace Horizon Realty Group, and I want it to be title case. Title case just basically means like first letter of each word is capitalized. So Sean's Realty Group, S, Realty, R, G is capitalized. All right, we're all there. Cool. So now look, what's going to happen here is once we pass it in, it will actually change up. And, I don't think they actually showed this, but it will actually automatically change up such that where it says Horizon Realty Group, that would say Sean's Realty Group if you pass something in on the parameter in the URL. So hopefully that sort of explains it. Maybe I was overly complex here. Worst case scenario, just read the right-hand side. All this text here will probably do a better job than I did explaining all of it, but it just makes the world a lot easier if you're trying to use these replacements, which can be really cool and dynamic. And you can pass them in from ads and sometimes often. So when somebody fills out a form, right, you want to personalize the page for them. It does all kinds of cool things like that. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Wednesday and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.